of social political development was taking place in Mahajanapada. Mahajanapada were located in distinct geographical zones. There were 16 Mahajanapadas during 600 BC to 300 BC in the Indian subcontinent. Their names were Anga, Asaka, Avanti, Chedi, Gandhara, Kamboja, Kasa, Kosala, Kuru, Magadha, Mala, Matsya, Panchala, Surasena, Vaji, and Vatsya. Moving to the next topic, monarchy. A monarchy is a country that is ruled over by a monarch, and monarchy is the system or the form of government. A monarch, such as a king or queen, rules over a kingdom or an empire. In a constitutional monarchy, the monarch's power is limited by a constitution. Moving to the next topic, Magadha. The Magadha Empire ruled in India from 684 BC to 320 BC. It is also mentioned in the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. It was the most powerful among the 16 Mahajanapadas. The empire was established by the king Brihadratha. Rajgir was the capital of Magadha, but later shifted to Patliputra in the 4th century BC. Iron was used to manufacture tools and weapons. The elephants found in its forest were used in the army. The riverine routes of Ganga and its tributaries made communication cheap and convenient. The implementation of policies by the efficient bureaucracy of ruthless and ambitious kings like Bimbisara, Ajatasattu, and Mahapadmananda made Magadha prosperous. The first king of Magadha was Bimbisara, and he belonged to the Haryanka dynasty. Avanti was Magadha's main rival, but later entered into its alliances. Marriages helped in building political alliances, and King Bimbisara married a lot of princesses from nearby kingdoms. Now, talking about the Haryanka dynasty, it was the second dynasty to rule over Magadha after the Brihadratha dynasty. It was succeeded by Shishunga dynasty. The dynasty was founded by King Bhatya, the father of Bimbisara. The dynasty ruled over Magadha from the 6th century BCE to 413 BCE. And the kings of Haryanka dynasty were Bhatya, Bimbisara, Ajatasattu, Udyabhadra, Anuruddha, Munda, Nagadasaka. Now, talking about Nag dynasty, which is also known as Shishunaga dynasty, ancient ruling family in the Indian kingdom of Magadha. The Shishunaga line of kings followed the region of Bimbisara and Ajatasattu. The line is generally placed immediately before the Nandas and is dated roughly from the mid 5th to the mid 4th century BC. Shishunaga, the founder, was of obscure origin and may have initially served as Magadhan viceroy at Kashi, which is presently known as Varanasi. Gradually, he came to be associated with the early Magadhan capital, Rajgir, and re-established the city of Vaishali in North Bihar. Shishunaga's region, like that of his Magadhan predecessors, represents a stage in the history of the fast expansion of the Magadhan Empire. He successfully fought against Avanti Vardhana and annexed the Avanti kingdom to his empire. The region of Shishunaga's son, Kal Ashoka, is known chiefly for two important events: the meeting of the Second Buddhist Council at Vaishali and the shifting of the Magadhan capital to Patliputra. The end of Shishunaga's line is obscure, as is much of the pre-Mauryan dynastic history of